What's up everybody, it's your boy Cactuzz here, and today we're gonna talk about reverbs. Nope. Let's start over. What's up guys, nice to have you here. And today we're gonna talk about the creative ways to use reverb. Reverb is not only about imitating spaces, giving air to vocals or drums. It can be also very useful in other situations. Today I'm gonna show you how to make sounds like this and this using reverb as a main plugin. And if this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe and leave a like. I appreciate it. Intro. So let's divide this video into 3 parts. First one will be about stinger, reveal, boomer-like sound. Second will be about doing weird ambiences with even more weird samples. And the third one is about making a drum pattern with reverb. Let's jump into logic. As a base, I've chosen sounds that anybody can record at home. If you watch my videos, then you probably know by now that I always try to use things around me to create sounds. Same thing this time. So we have a wooden hit like this, and we'll be making something like this. For those sounds, I am using Space Designer because of its capabilities. First layer is drone-like reverb, wet signal only. And the overdrive to make it more blockbusterish. Second layer is based on a long reverb with automated tremolo. And this one is making the sound more creepy and chaotic. Third one is a reverb only, dark, deep and long. And in the front we have a reversed reverb bounce from Simple Church preset, original and reversed. Together we have this. Second one is similar, but now with a radiator hit. So it will be more metallic sound. Again, I'm starting with reversed sample, with a short reverb and tremolo on it. Last thing here is slow down at the end. I guess it is making it more sci-fi or something. For another layer, I've shortened the sample, pitched it down, added reverb and used tube saturator. And this is the punch sound. Another one is long reverb with EQ filtering highs and chorus with automated ratio going down. And the last one is just doing the tail. Let's jump into making weird ambiences. I've chosen two samples. First one is balloon and second one is a cock. Perfect choice for an ambient sounds, right? The way I did this is I've stretched the samples by flex, like this, with rhythmic and speed algorithms, and then I've put a massive and long reverbs on them. And free Diablo on the cock. If you haven't seen my video about my favorite free plugins, then you should watch it. It's somewhere here. Okay, now the beat pattern. Of course you can use prepared samples, of course you can trigger the reverb in any other way, for example by automating the wet-dry signal, but this way is just faster, for me. Simply set the tempo, put your samples on your timeline, duplicate the tracks and samples, or put them any way you want. Next step is adding reverb and tremolo plugin. You can say this is like reinventing the delay, but I don't think so. You can automate the tremolo rate like I did, and I think for synth drums like this it works better than automating delay, which can cause some issues. So that's all. Of course, I am, as always, only sharing ideas, and I never said that my workflow or the way I do things is the best. Just wanted to show you how to deal with reverb in more creative way than in usual mixing work. Use the comment section to point your favorite reverb plugin or share your ideas how to use reverb in any other creative way. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and join my Discord channel. The link is down below in the description. Until next time.